Folks, the web keeps changing so quickly that managing data extraction becomes harder every month. Simple tools often struggle to keep pace with the new challenges that appear across different platforms. Many websites introduce additional layers that slow down even ordinary tasks, and this creates real pressure during daily research. That's why a more capable system becomes valuable, because it can support your workflow without forcing you to fight every obstacle manually. My name is Daniel, and in today's video, we're diving into Decodo. This platform is built to make web data collection feel more manageable without creating extra stress. From routing methods to automated protection handling, we'll break down how the tool operates and how it keeps the process organized. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. Alright friends, let's start with the basics and make it clear. Decodo is a platform designed to help you collect web data in a way that feels smooth and stable during daily research tasks. It brings different parts of the workflow into a single environment that feels stable during everyday tasks. This approach helps you handle information from various sites without constant adjustments. You get a dashboard that keeps the progress clean, while the tool manages the complex parts behind the scenes. The service focuses on delivering structured results without forcing you to fight protection systems or write complicated parsing logic every time. Mates, it simplifies routine work by handling the heavy technical steps while still giving you full control when your project requires extra precision. This approach supports the idea of keeping the workflow simple and reliable during daily tasks. Affordable access also matters when your projects depend on steady data. Decodo supports projects that rely on web insights for growth, analysis, or AI development. It keeps your process predictable by handling the critical parts of each request in a steady and controlled way. The system maintains this stability even when websites introduce new restrictions or adjust their internal structure. This helps you stay focused on your actual research goals. Guys, this consistency becomes especially helpful during long sessions, because your attention stays on the data rather than the barriers around it. The platform starts by routing each request through different connection types that fit real user patterns. Such behavior helps your scraper look like a regular visitor during each session. These addresses come from real devices or stable infrastructure that websites typically treat as trustworthy. This helps keep your traffic steady and reduces the chance of early disruptions, folks. Residential routes help when your target system watches for suspicious activity, while mobile routes strengthen the natural pattern even further. Guys, static residential options hold the same address for long periods, which helps when you work with accounts that react poorly to constant changes. Data center routes focus on delivering fast responses during high-volume tasks, and this range of options keeps your workflow flexible. This routing relies on a large global IP pool, which supports reliable performance, and it helps maintain progress when your research touches multiple regions. Folks, if the site applies protection systems, the platform processes them automatically. It handles CAPTCHAs, script challenges, or Cloudflare checks without manual adjustments, which allows you to continue collecting information even on pages with heavy restrictions. The site unblocker strengthens this part by bypassing advanced shields that usually interrupt automated traffic trends. It handles the complex steps behind the scenes, keeping automated operations running quietly in the background. This allows you to stay focused on the actual content. This design becomes especially helpful when you scrape domains that track unusual behavior closely, because the workflow remains smooth even under strict conditions. The platform follows the client's message about dependable performance and accessible workflow, so protection handling stays intuitive, mates. After the protection layers are cleared, the scraping engine retrieves the page content using the mode you choose. The core API returns clean HTML that works well for simple targets. The advanced API processes dynamic pages by rendering the elements that appear during loading. Both paths deliver structured results that simplify analysis, folks. Dynamic rendering helps when a site places important data behind script execution. The engine then returns the results in JSON or other formats you prefer for further processing. This supports the client's idea of simple onboarding and helpful documentation. It makes the tool approachable, even if you are not deeply involved in scraping logic. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Templates help when your target belongs to platforms with predictable structures. Friends, you provide a link, and the engine interprets the layout based on a prepared preset that understands how the page organizes its content. It reduces the need to create repeated parsing logic or maintain fragile selectors each time the layout changes slightly. This becomes useful during long sessions with product listings, catalog pages, or other structured surfaces, guys. Templates keep the workflow steady, helping you avoid unnecessary editing, and you still receive consistent output that stays ready for analysis or further processing. When your tasks connect to AI projects or automation pipelines, the platform integrates with tools that move the collected data into your preferred environment. Folks, MCP lets agents request information automatically and process fresh content without writing backend code. Automation tools help you keep your workflow moving without constant manual input. They handle routine actions on your schedule and deliver updated information exactly where you need it. LangChain connects the tool to applications that rely on models or indexing flows, and these interactions help streamline broader research or analysis routines, mates. The client emphasizes this connection with modern AI tools, and the platform supports it through flexible endpoints that respond consistently. Additional tools help refine manual processes during testing or dataset creation. The browser manager creates isolated profiles with unique fingerprints, which protects your sessions when you test login flows or manage multiple accounts. Folks, a browser extension lets you switch proxy routes directly from your window, which helps maintain control during quick checks or lightweight exploration. The proxy checker verifies address performance and location before you include them in automated routines, and this helps maintain accuracy during long tasks. A built-in video downloader retrieves content from many platforms for AI research or training, and it expands your ability to work with multimedia inputs. Next, guys, an AI parser can transform HTML into structured data using natural language instructions, and this keeps your workflow adaptable when you need results quickly. Mates, during the scraping demonstration, the platform loads the target page, renders the structure, and processes your instructions. After you define the fields you need, the parser extracts titles, links, prices, or other elements depending on your prompt. You can export results in JSON or other supported formats, and these outputs help when your tasks depend on clean datasets. I personally use this service and consider it useful, but the decision to work with it or not is always yours. Okay, friends, let's summarize. What really stands out in this tool is how it keeps the entire workflow steady. It maintains that stability even when websites introduce new layers that usually interrupt automated tasks. You can route traffic through different connection types, work with structured outputs, and move your data directly into AI pipelines without breaking your rhythm. Templates, automation features, and built-in parsing help you stay focused on the real task instead of constant troubleshooting. That balance feels helpful during longer sessions. Overall, this platform offers a practical way to manage web data tasks, but the decision to use it or not is always yours. I hope this overview helps you decide what fits your needs. Friends, before you go, check the links in the description. That's where all the coupons and special offers are. If you want to try the tool, that's the best place to start. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.